Hi, I'm Zach. If this is your first time to the Compensation Coach channel, we welcome you and thanks for checking us out. If you are returning, we are grateful and encourage you to join our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to become a compensation analyst step by step. Compensation is one of the most strategic areas in human resources because it focuses on how organizations pay employees fairly and competitively. If you enjoy working with data, salary structures, and business strategy, this career path might be perfect for you. What do they do? Analyze pay, build salary ranges, study market data. A compensation analyst studies employee pay and market data to ensure salaries are competitive and fair within an organization. Good compensation programs help companies attract talent, retain employees, and maintain fair pay practices across the organization. Many compensation analysts begin with degrees in human resources, business, or finance because these programs develop analytical and business thinking skills. You'll also need to understand key compensation concepts such as salary ranges, market benchmarking, and compa ratio analysis. Excel is one of the most important tools for compensation analysts. It helps analyze salary data and create reports that support pay decisions. Many professionals enter compensation after gaining experience in general HR roles that expose them to employee data and HR systems. Compensation analysts compare company jobs to salary surveys to understand how competitive pay is compared to the market. Most compensation analysts regularly work with Excel, HR systems, and compensation surveys. Strong analytical thinking, attention to detail, and the ability to explain pay decisions clearly are essential skills for this career. If this video was useful, we will go into a deeper dive in Part 2. I'll show you how to break into a compensation analyst role and start building your career in compensation. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more content like this.